Here you see one of the actual panels being cut out. I decided to cut out the actual panel this way so the actual panels were actually less weighty. I found that because of the actual ply had a plastic coating on it, they were very difficult to remove on your own. So I decided that the best way was to cut out the panels to make it lighter for me to construct. Here you see me routing out the actual windows. Next I actually decided to make a groove on the back to accommodate the actual glass. In the end I used the polycarbonate roofing, cutted small rectangle pieces of polycarbonate roofing and silicone sealed them in. Once I routed out all the actual slots to accommodate the polycarbonate roofing, I then turned the actual sheet over and then cut those out. Here you see me going around the bottom panels. I just put a 45-degree cut on this, and then the panel that was cut out then was just pushed back, so it just showed off the 45-degree bevel. Here you see me cutting out the actual one of the windows. Now, on the construction of the actual base, I constructed the base which had on it, each corner post had a L-shaped slotting, which and then what I've done is I've actually put bolts actually through the corner posts so I can slot each panel in so it stands upright on its own. Here you see the actual end result. Coach bolts were actually used to actually bolt the posts to the actual panels. Here you see me putting on the roof. I had to actually measure the roof actually when it was in situ because I weren't 100% certain of all the sizes. I made a framework underneath to accommodate the pitch roof. Here you see the they were actually used. I used actual polycarbonate roofing, which is slightly opaque, and then I used sticky plastic covering. Okay, here's the actual place box sign. All it is a printed sheet, then it's laminated. Printed sheet, laminated, and it's stuck on with Velcro. Same with this door panel, simply stuck on with Velcro. Right, inside. Box where there would be a phone, but there's not one. That just closes. Done with the initial router, and then the initial panel is then pushed set back. Silicone sealed essentially in. See, it's coming pretty well. Yale key. You can see this is actually a garden shed. It's pretty much filled up at the moment with bits and pieces. Right, well the main thing is roofing. Your straps actually metal aluminium, pieces of metal bracing to brace the actual things together. The light socket on the actual thing to get the pitch. That's what it is. We've got two 2x2 made out of square bits with legs on top and the actual ordinary light bulb running the main switch. The corners, the posts, L-shaped piece of mainly is the corner posts are actually mounted into the base. Where you've got a tongue and groove on the base, so you've got an L-shaped slot on the base, and the corner post lets you go slot into it. You can then stand upright freely, and then it's simply bolted in position. So bolts there, and then slowly going down. You'll see the bolts. I've used 5 bolts per side, so I've got 10 bolts per side. Here, it's a bit dark here. Drag it go up. So each panel is actually bolted in position in between the actual 4 corner posts. Slot here to take the actual light so you light up the actual police box, public call box, logo on each 4 sides of the police box. Windows, polycarbonate roofing, and I've just literally silicone sealed these in and use some usual tape was actually just to gently keep them actually here while the silicone seal went off. It's reasonably dry in here. The floor, that's just on actual 2x2 frame, 2x2, yeah, 2x2. There's the framework underneath, and the plastic coated ply is put on top. Show for the actual edge and the use cardboard the underseal to protect the actual underneath from any water. Bead of silicone seal going all the way around. That stops the actual water running underneath. On the whole, it's come out pretty well actually. Look at the back of it. Coach bolts going through. Construction. Right, how do you construct it? Base is put down. The actual 4 upright corner posts actually go into a slot on the floor, and then the actual bolts are actually put in, and each panel is put in. Doors are actually hung after. We'll start from the actual this panel here. Once the 4 corner posts are actually in, each side panel is put in position and slots in. I've used a silicone seal on this edge. I'll seal the actual unit up. Also used aluminium tape to actually seal up any joints on the roof to stop water getting in.
But I'll be going on adventures as long as there's you on energy. There's you on energy. My chameleon circuit hasn't worked since 1963, but the doctor won't give up on me.